Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles with an easy recipe. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until everything is moistened. A few small lumps are perfectly normal and will result in tender waffles. Avoid overmixing for the best texture. Next, it's time to cook your waffles. Preheat your waffle iron to its medium-high setting. While it heats, lightly grease the iron with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron, or enough to cover the grids. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Repeat with the remaining batter. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade waffles. Serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. They are fantastic with a drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or a handful of fresh berries. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Reheat them in a toaster or oven for a quick and easy breakfast anytime. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.